I'm going to give you a demo today of the Omnicator beta release, a few new features. As always, we're going to start by putting in our API key. This will only be stored just for the session, and we'll go ahead and enter that. And great timing, we have some chats already. New feature that was requested, which is pretty cool, is that we can change the configuration here. Oh, we've always been able to. There is a drop-down. OBS is precluding me. I think I said Sauce was. I did not mean to blame Sauce. Last one. OBS won't show the drop-down, but there's just a standard drop-down. Use your imagination. Maybe I could show the whole screen sometime, but let's go to Turkish. We could save upon the request of a person in the SauceMods channel. Thank you for the suggestion. You can now click. Well, for starters, we show the language that you've selected up top. That was kind of nice, but you can retranslate the message by clicking. Now, if you want to save tokens and you don't want this, you can unclick. So this enables click to retranslate. You don't have to have it on, but let's go to Czech. And now we've translated it to Czech. Hindi. It's still a known kind of bug. I don't know why, but one of the issues of dealing with LLMs is they're not deterministic, so that's just been what it does. And then let's see what happens back to English. So I don't preserve the original message anywhere, so it's just a bad game of telephone. But it seems reasonable. Several European CN writers have gotten them for just shipping charges. Okay, so that looks like that's working. That's the new feature there. The configurations, I added some languages. I think I'm going to add Japanese Romaji, which is nice for folks that like to practice Japanese. I noticed a lot of actual writers from Japan use Romaji. It's the Latin romanization of Japanese characters. But I've actually set it up. All I have to do is add something to the drop down, and that's it, and it's off to the races. So still really cheap. The other day I think I used a third of a penny, having I did 100K on Tempest with Coco, and yeah, 1/3 of a penny for all the translations, and it was a lot of fun. Everything was translating, including English, but pretty cool feature for beta. It's been really stable. You have the config options, the message timeout set to 10 minutes, up to 32. That's how many it'll show in the window. The window scrolls. Now we've added the new thing to enable click to retranslate, and still we have the exclude countries if you want to exclude translations of messages from folks in that country. I think the sky is really the limit in this. I'd love to do text to speech. I'd love to be able to detect how many people are speaking different language, and then when you type your message, it will translate outgoing as well. But in theory, if everybody had this SauceMod, then they should just be able to receive messages in your desired language. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. That's the beta feature as requested. It's been just a lot of fun. Just to see everybody from across the world and what they're saying. So appreciate the support, and hopefully you enjoy. Thank you.